Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Happy Sunday and also compliments of the season. I know this period we are all getting ready for the Christmas and the New Year celebrations, and so I wish you guys the best and a happy New Year in advance. I didn't put the video out last week because I thought I wasn't going to be trading for the rest of the year, but I was sitting on my hands like for the past 2 weeks, but I was actively marking up my charts. I think last year, around this time last year, the market started becoming very slow. So I thought that by this time the market was going to, the volume in the market was going to die down. But that was not the case this year. Like, I missed quite a number of trades last year just because I was trying to stick to not trading. There was surprisingly so much volume in the market, and last week I was able to take a couple of trades. So we're just going to break the trades down and also prepare for the year ahead. So without any further ado, let's get straight into the video. So last week I took a trade on was it GBP USD or GBP JPY? Yeah, it was GBP USD. Okay. I missed a number of trades. Like I said, I think while I'm going down here, I'm going to be seeing some of the trades that I missed, and that's why I left them on my watch list over here, so I could really explain why I missed the trades. No, the explanation for why I missed the trade is pretty straightforward. I didn't know there was going to be enough volume, but I was just marking out the charts to see whether the market was going to play out, and the volume was surprising to me. So I missed a lot of opportunities, and so I just decided to get involved with GBP USD. Now it was really straightforward. GBP USD has been bearish for quite a while. Okay, has been bearish. Look out from the weekly time frame. See the number of bearish candles. The market broke the strong level, came back here, retested. If you go over to the daily time frame, came here, retested, and it was stalling over here, and it was forming this sort of left head and right shoulder. Okay, so if you scroll down to the lower time frame, go over to the 4-hour time frame, you see that the market came to this level of the right shoulder, and it was giving us rejection. This was not where I entered on the 1-hour time frame. Actually, at this point here, the market gave this sort of, again, left head and right shoulder with this big engulfing candle. As the market pulled back all the way up here again, I took my entry, stops above, target below, and I think there was news, FOMC or something, and the market just melted all the way to the downside, which was beautiful to see. I was able to catch a 1 to 4 on this trade, so that was really nice. Some of the trades I missed. Let's see if I can go down and find some of them out. Yes, I missed this trade on GBP NZD. It was a beautiful trade. The market was in an uptrend, broke out of this previous resistance, came here, beautiful bullish engulfing. I marked this trade out and it just flew all the way to the upside. I missed this one. This is also beautiful trade on GBP NZD. It looks like a counter trend trade, but if you go over to the weekly time frame, you see that the market gave us this false break of this level. Market tried to break below and close back bullishly above, and so I was anticipating the market to come back to the previous resistance. So as the market came back to this level of support and gave me this bullish engulfing, this would have been my entry. Like, I was seeing these trades play out. I was just anticipating, like, if I'm going to trade, this is where my entry is going to be. This is where my target was going to, and I was just looking at the markets playing out like beautiful time and time again, and that's why that was the reason why I decided to take the trade on GBP USD. I also took 2 more trades. USD CHF was also one that I missed, but I feel like this one would have been a break-even trade for me because the market came down to this level of support, gave me this double top, pushed up. On this pullback was where I was anticipating my entry, but the market came almost to my take profits and would have come back to stop me out at break even. Excuse me. Stop me out at break even before going all the way to target. So this would have been a break even trade for me, but like these are some of the reasons why like the trades were moving textbook. And that was, one of the reasons why I decided to, since there was still volume in the market, like look at how aggressive the moves are when they're happening. Since there was still volume in the market, so I decided to take a trade. Like even this one on Euro card over here. Euro GBP would have been a break-even trade. Market was in a bearish time frame, was in a bearish trend. Broke this level, retested, made a false break over here, broke back below. I was anticipating a move back to the lows, which the market did, but it missed the take profit by a couple of pips and would have stop loss at break even. So these are some of the trades. So the trades I'm in currently now, I'm in a trade on GBP AUD. Let me briefly explain the premise for this trade. I don't want the video to be too long. You can see clearly this market is in a strong uptrend. Okay, go over to the weekly, monthly, the market is in a strong uptrend, and as you can see, the market made higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, and it's back at this region to make a potential higher low. Okay, so my entry confirmations I got off the 1 hour time frame. Although you can see this strong bullish hammer candle here, but my entry confirmation, you see the market pulled back into this level, made one bottom, push up, second bottom, break above. Okay, at this weak pullback was I executed my entry, stop loss below, target above. So this is my trade on GBP AUD. I'm bullish. I'm currently holding the trade. GBP JPY, I'm also in a buy on GBP JPY. These are going to be my last trades for the year. I don't know if how long I'm going to be holding these trades, but Christmas is going to be on Wednesday, so and the market is going to be closing. So if by Tuesday the trades have not hit the target, I'm going to be manually closing the trades. But yeah, on GBP JPY, same premise. The market was making low, high, higher, low, higher, high, higher, low, higher, high. I'm back into this region over here. If you go over to a 4 hour time frame, you can see it cleaner. Higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, and you can see this beautiful bullish engulfing at this level over here. And not just that, if you go over to the 1 hour time frame, you can see this sort of consolidation over here, and the market broke out on this candle here as on the pullback was when I executed my entry, stop loss below, target above. So yeah, the market has been giving us like clean opportunities, and I'm just trying to follow, keep following. I also learned, I had it at the back of my mind that as at last week the volume in the market would have died down, but that obviously did not happen. I think that happened last year, but the market is very dynamic and we should learn to be dynamic as well with the markets. Okay, as long as there are opportunities, as long as there's volume, there's always going to be opportunities for you to take advantage and catch some nice moves. So for this week, let's see. Market is going to be closed on Wednesday, so I don't think I'm really not going to be opening any new positions. But if any of you would like to trade after Christmas, let's see if we can have some pairs to analyze. Okay, gold. I'm bearish on gold. I also missed a trade here last week on gold. But this coming week, if you have to trade, I don't think I'm going to be trading this. But gold is, let me use the pattern to draw a structure. High, low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, potential lower high. So what I'm going to be looking for here is rejection, probably like a double top confirmation before I look for sales to the downside. That's if I'm going to be trading this. Okay, so I'm bearish on gold, at least off this region. I'm expecting rejections to the downside. NZDCHF, I'm bearish on NZDCHF. I do feel like this market has potentially pulled back all the way to this level before dropping, but the market has also created like this new level of structure. So I will not be surprised if the market pushes up into this level, rejects, and continues to drop. However, I'm bearish on NZD CHF. Not the cleanest, but according to structure, these are the opportunities that represent himself this week. EURJPY, I'm bullish on EURJPY, but I don't feel like this is the rejection that is going to push this market to the upside. I still feel like it's premature. We have this nice structure here: low, high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, potential higher low. I feel like I still need the market to dip down a little bit more into this level before looking for opportunities to the upside. So I'm bearish on EURJPY. I'm just not going to be entering yet until the market gives like a proper pullback and a proper rejection. EURUSD, I'm bearish on EURUSD, like GBP USD, and the market has broken below this strong level of support. So this coming week, we're going to expecting the market to pull back into this level, retest, reject, while looking for shorts to the downside. AUD CAD, I'm also bearish on AUD CAD. The market has taken out this level of support. So this week, I'm going to be anticipating the market to either pull back into this level, reject, or the market could also do something like this, take out this level over here. Retest, reject, and keep looking for sales to the downside. Bearish on AUD CAD. Euro CHF, I was looking for sales last week, but it didn't quite form the way I would have wanted to see it. The market was bearish. The market did this false breakout last week. It broke above the strong level of resistance, retested but failed to reject off this level. So I was looking for sales back down to this area. On the 4-hour time frame, you can see it made this left head, right shoulder, break of neckline, the test. That's why you see this by short tool here. I wanted this double top to be much cleaner. I wanted it to look something like this. I would have gotten in. But this, I was just thinking about it, but I decided to let it go. The market came shy, like a couple of pips shy from the target, and is now pulling back. By now, my stops would have been moved to break even, and just let the market do what it wants to do. However, for me to be interested in this market again, I'll have to see the market take out this low convincingly, retest, reject before looking for shorts to the downside. USD-JPY, I'm bullish on USD-JPY. However, I don't really like the position it is in right now. I think this would be like a better support. Hold on. Yeah, I don't like this level right here where the market is trying to reject. I would want the market to pull back a little bit more into this level before pushing up, to line up better with the EMA, line up better with all these levels of structure right here. Something like this. Yes, line up better with the EMA and structure. So I want the USDJPY to push down a bit before looking for buys to the upside. But I'm bullish on USDJPY right now. Next pair on my list, NZD card. I'm bearish on NZD card, but I think this is one of them where I also want the market to take out this low. Retest, reject before looking for shorts. CHF-JPY. I'm bullish on CHF-JPY. Yeah, like this is typical structure trading. Going to be anticipating market to pull back at least into this level, give us nice rejections before looking for buys to the upside. And AUD-CHF. AUD-CHF looks clean to the downside. The market has broken below this previous level of support. So right now, I'm expecting the market to pull back into this level, give us rejections, and we'll look for shorts to the downside. Let's go over to the indices. The indices market, US 30 is not really my favorite right now. It's bullish on the weekly time frame, but on the daily time frame, you can see that it has taken out the daily structure level. This was a low, high, higher low, higher high, and now it has put in a lower low. So this market could potentially come here and reject and move to the downside. For me, I'm bullish on the indices for now. So before I'm going to be interested in this pair, I would want to see the market take out this strong resistance, come back with test before looking for buys to the upside. I think NAS 100 is in a better position. You can see this previous level of resistance is holding strongly over here as support. This strong like doji or hammer candle on the 4-hour time frame. I see the market has broken out of this bearish structure, high, low, lower, high, lower, lower, made a higher high. The market can pull back into this level, reject. We're looking for buys to the upside. S&P 500, I think we're seeing a similar situation. The market has come back to the previous level of support. On the 4-hour time frame, you see the market made high, low, lower high, lower low, but now it's putting a higher high. So we're going to be anticipating a potential higher low here, rejections before looking for buys to the upside. Let's look at oil. Oil has been stuck in this range for like since September. Has been playing around here, push up, push down, fake out, come back in, joking around this level. So I really would not be interested in US oil. When the market hits this level of resistance, I was actually anticipating more sell price action. The market gave us this chart pattern here, left head, right shoulder, break, retest. This could have been like a nice place to look for an entry, but the market seems to just be moving choppy, and I'm really not so much of a fan of a choppy market. So I'm just going to be sitting out until the market takes out either this low or breaks out, takes out this high before looking for longs to the upside. Now, last but not the least, let's take a look at Bitcoin. Let's take a look at Bitcoin. Bitcoin has been bullish, but right now it's in a very risky situation. If you look, I was anticipating Bitcoin to the upside for quite a while. I think from this level over here at the 90k level, even as far back as around this level, as far back as the 80 something k, I was anticipating the 100k. Go back to my previous videos, I'll check them out. Bitcoin has pulled up all the way to like 108k, and now it's back down. On the daily time frame, you can see that the structure is still in place. This was a low, high, higher low, now a higher high. Now the market is back at this level. This level could potentially hold this market, or Bitcoin could drop down a little bit further into the 91k before looking for upside. However, let's go back to the 4-hour time frame and see what the price actually is showing us. On the 4-hour time frame, this market is looking a little bit bearish. High, low, lower, high, lower, low. The market tried to come and take out this low, but you can see over here there are strong buyers at this level. Okay, so what I'm really going to be waiting for Bitcoin is either the market pulls back down a little bit here and gives me like a strong bullish price action, maybe like a bullish engulfing, a pin bar or something, or the market comes and take out this level at the 99k or 100k entirely, retest, then I'll be looking for buys to the upside. But I'm still bullish on Bitcoin. I still feel like it has like ways to go before we can start seeing that big retracement down to the downside. Because if we go back to the weekly time frame, see these rejections of this level, you can see that there are buyers at this level, 91k, 94k, around these levels. There are strong buyers, but you know, you can also see that the market has not had any major pullback, which is bound to happen at some point. Even if you go back to the monthly time frame, the market has not had any significant pullback. This is 1, 2, 3, almost 4 months of price action, and the market has failed to have any significant pullback. So we could be expecting that anytime soon. However, I feel like Bitcoin definitely has a little bit of room to push up a bit before giving us that major pullback that we'll be looking for to continue the uptrend. So guys, that's going to be all for this video. Thanks for hanging out with me. Do well to like, comment and subscribe. I hope you have a wonderful trading week, and I wish you once again, I wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year in advance. I hope your trading gets to a whole new level next year, and you're able to achieve everything that you plan to achieve. Next year, like I've always been saying, we're going to be doing more and more stuff on the channel, so do well to share the channel with your trader friends. If you are looking to grow the channel, this channel is where you want to be, because we're going to be dropping so much gems. We're going to be opening slots, so you know we can have like open interactions where you guys can learn and have like an interactive session. So yeah, that's going to be all for this video, guys. Do well to like, comment and subscribe. Share the video with your trader friends and family, and I'll catch you guys in the very next video. Bye for now.